Hello students, it's Sukhchand Singh here. So today we are going to do exercise 14.1 for class 8th. Before solving the question, I want to tell you some basics thing which we need to solve this exercise. The very first thing that in a fraction, this part, upper part is known as numerator and this lower part is known as denominator. To keep this thing in mind. Second thing which is very important, this is A part, B part. So as we have discussed earlier also कि a power minus n can be written as 1 upon a power n, and also if 1 upon a power minus n, that can be written as a power n. So these are very basics and important thing for you to keep in mind to solve the exercise. To keep this in mind. Here in a part, k1 a part, 3 a power minus 4 b power minus 3. So you can take a 1 in the denominator because we need that denominator also. Now what we can do, a power minus 4, negative power in numerator will go in denominator with the positive power. So 3, this a 4, because power negative, it will come in denominator. Secondly, b power also negative, it will also come in denominator as well. B power 3, and this is your answer. Part B, in this 4xy whole power minus 1. So there is a one confusion for the student. If this statement is written as 4xy power minus 1, so there is a difference between this and this. How can we read it? 4xy whole power minus 1. This can be written as 4xy power minus 1. So there is a difference between these two questions. Its answer, because power negative, it will come in denominator. So its answer is 1 upon 4xy. Because I have spoken here whole power minus 1. It means whole will come downside. Here only y, so it can be written as 4xy upon 4xy will come in denominator. So keep this in mind. This is your answer, and keep this also in mind. Part C. The statement is 1 upon 3 x square y power minus 3 z power 4. As I told you earlier, if the power in denominator is negative, it will go in numerator. So here, which value will go in numerator? Only y, x square, it will remain here only. So your answer is 1 upon 3, its power is positive, so it will keep here. X square, z4 will remain in denominator because their powers are positive, and y3 will go in numerator, and that is your K2. Find the value of x. A part, 6 power minus x is equal to 36. Firstly, we'll write this 36 like 6 square 6 power minus x this side. Why we have written it 36 like this way? Because now bases are same, both values are same, it means their powers must be same. So minus x equals to 2, it means x equals to minus 2. Part B, x power minus 2, 1 upon 25. Firstly, we'll write this 25 as 1 upon 5 to x power minus 2, like this way. Now in denominator, power positive, so we'll take this to numerator with power negative, as I told you earlier. Now powers are same, both values are same, it means bases are also same. It means x is equals to 5, and this is your part C. 3 power minus 2x equals to 81. Firstly, we write 81 as 3 power 4, 3 minus 2x. Now power positive this side. Now bases are same, both values are same, it means their powers must be same. So minus 2x by equating value equals to 4. X can be equals to 4 upon minus 2, that equals to 2 with the negative sign, and this is your K3 expressed as a negative exponent. So A part. To convert as a negative exponent, we need to convert numerators to denominator with the negative power, and denominator's value to numerator with the negative power also. I'll show you how. This can be written as 1, 2, 3, 1 upon 1000 x square. So this value can be written as x square upon 10 cube. As I told you earlier, denominator's value to numerator. This can be written as 10 power minus 3. And numerators to denominator, that is x power minus 2, and this is your part B, 27a cube upon 64b cube. I'll just simplify it for you. So 27 can be written as 3 cube, 64 can be written as 4 cube. So both the values having same power, cube and cube, so we can simply write it 3a whole cube. Similarly, 4b whole cube. So this can be written as 3a upon 4b whole cube. But to convert it is in a negative exponent, we just need to values become opposite. So this can be written as like K4 convert in a positive exponent 75 kilometer or -1. This is the speed of a vehicle. So the speed can be written as 75 kilometer in 1 hour. We can write it like this because or -1, that is 1 hour. So we can simply write it 75 kilometer per hour. So both having same meaning, 75 kilometer per hour. S1, we have to simplify this value. We have done a property of similar kind. If a power m whole power n, this can be written as a power m into n. Same property we'll use here. This is our a, 1 upon x plus 2. We just simply multiply these two powers. It become -2 into -1. So this become 1 upon x plus 2 whole power square. You can write this as answer, or you can convert it like this way, x plus 2 whole power -2. And S2 expressed in expanded decimal form. We have this statement. How can we write it? 8 into 1. Now how to express after the decimal? Plus 2 divided by 10, because it is first value after the decimal, plus 8 divided by 100 plus 9 divided by 1000 value. I think you have understand. If we go to left hand side, then values will be multiplied like 1, 10, 100. If we go to right hand side, values will be divided. This can be written as x into 1 expanded form, 2 into 10 power -1 plus 8 into 10 power -2, because 100 can be written as x square. 9 into 10 power -3 is your. So S3 you can do by yourself. This is S4. Express the result has no denominator. So we have to solve this in a numerator. Otherwise the power -2, we will take this to the denominator, but we have to solve it here only. So how can we write it? 15 square into a power -9, 15 square b c, and whole power -2. -2 will come, and we can distribute to the whole values. 5 square whole power -2, a power -9 whole -2, b -2, c -2. So your answer is 15 minus 4, a -9 -2 as a property, 18 b -2 and c -2. We will not take this b and c downside because we have to convert it in the no denominator form.